Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Xbox wireless headset. So I got this from Target on clearance for $29.99. The regular price was $100. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking these headsets out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the Xbox wireless headset. Really love the simple presentation from Microsoft. Here is what the headset looks like. All black with green trim. So let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here's the top side of the box, which has nothing. And here are the sides of the box, which gives you a closer look of the headsets. And let's take a look on the right side of the box. So these headsets are for the Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, and Windows. You can also connect this with your mobile devices. This includes the wireless headset and a USB-C charging cable. Good to know that this comes with a USB-C charging cable. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So here it is. Here is the back side of the box, which talks about the features of this Xbox wireless headset. Here you can pair directly to your console for high fidelity sound. Can't wait to test that out. On-the-go audio, connect to your mobile devices via Bluetooth 4.2 for wireless chat and music. And this has crystal clear chat, eliminate background noise with voice isolation and auto mute. And this has a customizable fit design. Adjust the headband and find the right fit for your head size. And now let's go ahead and finally unbox the Xbox wireless headsets. So the opening is pretty simple. All you have to do is pull this pull tab. And I am really excited to try these headsets on. This will work well with your Xbox Series consoles and also your Xbox One. I'm about to enjoy the ecosystem that Microsoft has to offer. And here is what we will get once we unbox it. And here it is. Here are the Xbox wireless headsets. Really love the presentation from Microsoft. Simple but unique. It's not just a headset shoved into a box like the previous unboxings that I've noticed with the Razer headsets. You can find that unboxing video. But here are the Xbox wireless headsets. Let's remove the protective sleeve, and here it is. So let's go ahead and remove this piece of foam out of the way. And here's a closer look at these headsets. Really love the green trim around each piece of the head cups, if that's how you call them. So let's go ahead and put that to the side and see what else we have in the box. Here we have this USB-C to USB-A charging cable. I would just wish it was USB-C to USB-C. Let's put that to the side, and here are some reading material. Here's the quick startup guide for your Xbox wireless headset. Let's go ahead and take a look at this piece of material. Here it shows how to power it on. And here it tells you to power on your consoles and how you would link it. Pretty simple, straightforward instructions. It's just like IKEA's instructions. no words, text that is needed. And yeah, so pretty simple instructions. And here is other reading materials inside the box, and here is your product and regulatory guide or legal information. And let's take a closer look at these Xbox wireless headsets. Let's remove this plastic protective sleeve, and here you can see the mic. Really love the Xbox branding, fits well in all Microsoft products. And this is a high quality product from Microsoft. Doesn't feel cheap. It does not feel cheap. It feels premium, like the Beats headsets that you find. And here's the other side of these ear cups. And yeah, so you can also adjust these to fit accordingly to your head size. Really love the build quality here, and you can also turn these knobs, and I really love the feel of how it turns. And yeah, so you can also turn both sides. And with that being said, let's go ahead and pair these to my Xbox Series X console. So let's go ahead and pair these up and try the headset out. So let's go ahead and turn on my Xbox Series X console. This also works with the Xbox Series S and Xbox One console. Once we go to the home screen, let's go ahead and turn on our Xbox wireless headset and pair this up. And once you turn it on, you will have an LED indicator light that will be blinking. So once you have your Xbox wireless headset indicator light blinking, you would go to your console and hold down the pair button, this little black button, and hold on, and it would pair with your Xbox wireless headset. So it's going to take a moment, and on your home screen it would say that your headset has been assigned. So let's go ahead and go towards the settings for your Xbox wireless headsets. This is what I like buying dedicated headsets, so you can customize it in your on your Xbox console. And here are some functions. You can set up audio, do some testing, but you go to your Xbox accessories and you would go and configure with your Xbox dedicated headset. So here are the settings that you can change. And yeah, so really love what I like about these headset. So I've tried these on, and the sound quality of these are high quality, high fidelity sound. Really love about these things. Let's take a closer look at the headsets. This is your USB-C charging port, and this is where you would change the volume. On this side of the Xbox wireless headset, this is where you would adjust the volume of your mic. Here's your sync and power button. And here, this button would mute the audio mic while you are playing. So that's about it for this unboxing of these Xbox wireless headsets. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comments section below on what you think about these Xbox wireless headsets. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. I'll see you on the next one.